How to thaw frozen foods safely. The following thawing methods will help you maintain your family's health. First method. Place the frozen food in the fridge for 20 to 24 hours. Second method. Submerge it in cold water and change the water every 30 minutes. Products up to 5 kilos need 1 hour to thaw. Third method. Thaw frozen foods using the microwave. Avoid the following incorrect thawing methods. Do not thaw your frozen foods at room temperature. Do not use hot water for thawing. Wishing you health and happiness. These advices are provided by Doux Chicken.